everyone.
Let's learn some colors. Red color, pink color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, dark blue color.